The world's spinning fast, but nobody's in control. Leaders making noise, but they're just digging a hole. They're pointing fingers, blaming all the wrong, while the people are lost, just humming along. The skies are full of lights, UFOs in the air. We don't know what's real, we're trapped in despair. Drones flying high, watching our every move. We're high on the chaos, but we're stuck in a groove. Along came a spider, spinning webs of lies. Tangled in the madness, we're stuck in disguise. The world's upside down, don't you see it, my friend? It's all coming apart and it's hard to pretend. Along came a spider, crawling out in the dark. With AI on the rise and humans falling apart. We're lost in the web, can't escape this ride. While the world burns down, we just run and hide. People on drugs, they're chasing a high, ignoring the future, just watching time fly by. The cities are buzzing, but the minds are asleep, and the world keeps spinning into the deep. The leaders all laugh and the drones fly low. UFOs hover, but we still don't know. The tech's taking over, it's starting to show, but we're caught in the spider's web, stuck in the flow. Along came a spider, spinning webs of lies. Tangled in the madness, we're stuck in disguise. The world's upside down, don't you see it, my friend? It's all coming apart and it's hard to pretend. Along came a spider, crawling out of the dark. With AI on the rise and humans falling apart. We're lost in the web, can't escape this life. On the wheel buzzed down, we just run and hide. Along came a spider, crawling out of the dark. With AI on the rise and humans falling apart. We're lost in the web, can't escape this ride. While the world burns down, we just run and hide. There's a glitch in the system, a crash in the code. We're all just pawns on this crumbling road. But the spider is watching, weaving it tight. We're stuck in the web, can't escape the night. Along came a spider, spinning webs of lies. Tangled in the madness, we're stuck in disguise. The world's upside down, don't you see it, my friend? It's all coming apart and it's hard to pretend. Along came a spider, crawling out of the dark. With AI on the rise and humans falling apart. We're lost in the web, can't escape this ride. While the world burns down, we just run and hide. Along came a spider, but it's pulling the strings. Is it AI or the chaos it brings? We're lost in the web, but we don't even care, 'cause the spider's still spinning and it's everywhere.